Hello my dearest friends from round the world. Have you always wondered what laptop adapter your laptop uses? If your laptop model ranges from the HP Compact to the HP EliteBook and Notebook series, then this video is for you. For my returning viewers, thank you for coming back, welcome. And for my new viewers from round the world, thanks for sticking in once again. With no further ado, let's get straight into the video. And remember to click the like button and subscribe to my channel because it's completely free. This is THP 19 volts 4.7 for amps 90W adapter, and it charges your laptop with ease with 90 watts capacity, and it does very well in regulating the volts and amperage in charging your laptop fast and smooth without damaging the battery. You won't be too shocked on how this laptop charger works when juicing up your battery so quickly with that 90 watts. This is the laptop adapter power cable that you connect to your wall sockets and outlets. The HP Compact adapter also comes with a power cable. The regular power cable not fuse, just a regular charging cable to connect your outlet with ease. This is a new compatible replacement AC adapter charger. Power supply for HP Compact Presario CQ for 0503TX, CQ for 0311 letters X, CQ for 0 to 2 Compact Presario CQ for 05 to 7 TX, CQ for 011A, AU CQ for 0610TX Compact Presario CQ for 012 Ninia letters X, CQ for 0320 to CQ for 0420AX. Laptop notebook battery includes power supply cord. The adapter also has a large pin mount HP cord to connect your laptop. It also helps in connecting the HP Pavilion PC and charging, as well as the HP Notebook series to charge effectively, which all accepts 90 watts fast charging and increases the lithium battery's lifespan. For more information about this amazing, the powerful HP Compact adapter, you can check them in the description box below. Laptop Batteries Tech has always had clear goals and objectives in rapid charging technology for adequate and more accessibility for laptops to perform tasks at any given time as easy as possible. We have now come to the end of the video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the like button and share this video to whoever wants it. I'll be back soon.